Who are you? What's your, really what's your superpower, and why should you win this award?
Luke Galera, Director of Strategy and Sales Operations at Adherium. So Adherium's has a Haley Smart Inhaler technology platform with a portfolio of smart sensors for asthma and COPD inhalers. And our superpower is the enhanced data that we collect from these devices to ensure the patient's taking the medication at the right time and ensuring that the patient's taking the medication correctly. Over 90% of patients have consistently been proven to not take their medication correctly. And our device can give the insights necessary to ensure that the medication is properly being delivered to the lungs.
What's your data and how it's impacting and directly impacting patient care and outcome?
So we've been used in over 100 studies over the history of the company. And one in particular showed that our solution led to an 80% reduction in asthma hospitalizations in children. So if you're just looking at hospitalization costs in this particular subset, we estimate that would represent more than $300 million in annual savings. And that doesn't even come into impact the missed work days and missed school days that these underserved communities are suffering from. If we were also to replicate that in the larger asthma population as well, there's 700 million in savings. There's millions and billions of dollars being spent on asthma and COPD. COPD tends to be a little more expensive. And even in looking at some of our studies that suggest a 35 decrease in hospitalizations, if you apply that to COPD, $1.9 billion in annualized savings could be the result. And so we continue to monitor and look at the data of these patients to make sure that they're using it correctly and nudging them, reminding them to take the medication, because adherence is such a critical aspect to control this disease.